Hello, hi all. Today, our topic is finding the longest substring without repeating characters. So, in the same video, I am going to explain the same relative question. So, recently, interviewer asking like different manner. I am going to cover that only. It's similar to the longest substring only, but it's little bit a different thing. So I will explain. The first thing is I am going to explain longest substring without repeating characters. The second one is all possible longest substrings. All possible longest substrings without repeating characters. So the first one, the input we give, for example, string s1 equal to Java. So here VA is the longest substring. And second input, example 2, for example, advanced Java is our input. So output will be output will be dvja. The third example, Java is great. If you take is great is the substring, longest substring, like that. So the first question is that, but nowadays, recently one of friend faced interview. So for him, he asked like interviewer asked like different manner. The same question asked different manner. So for example, we need to find the longest substring. So in one string, there will be a many substrings. In those many substrings, if those many substrings having same length means we need to return all. One means no problem. If many means we need to return all of them. That is the question. For example, the same example one we take in Java. The possibility of substrings are JAV and VA. Here JAV is the longest substring. So now JAV it's came output. So second example, what are the possibility of substrings for advanced Java is ADVJ is one of the substring, DVJA is one of the substring, JAV. So output should come ADVJ, DVJA. Same for example 3, Java is great. What are the possibility of substrings are JAV, vaisgre is great. Output should come vaisgre is great. So that is the requirement. First I will cover the first question how to do. Later I will cover on that second question, all possibility of longest substrings without repeating characters. All possible. So these are all unique substrings should come. Without repeating character means all unique substrings only, no? So now directly enter into the coding. So I'm not typing the code. Basically, I typed and practiced. So I'm using the existed code only. By using Control Z, we can do that, right? So first, what I am doing, I'm explaining each step. First, what I am doing, first question, for this first question, I'm giving the solution. First, we are going to find out the longest substring. Any substring you need to find out. Simple. So I'm converting this string into char array. So by using two char array, we can convert, no? After that, I am iterating each character. Then after that, what I am doing is I am creating a one map object. In that map object, what I am doing, key as a character I am taking, value as an integer I am taking. In this map, what I am going to maintain is character is a key and value as a index value, index of the particular character. So each character I am going to iterate. So while iterating, what I am checking, if that character in the map, if it is not existed already means then only I am adding to the map. If that key not I added no here. So if not existed in map, then only I am adding key to that map. Character mean character and particular index. And After that, what I am doing is here, once it checked, for example, JAV, it checked. After JAV, we got A, no? We got A. So A is repeating. From V onwards, I want to check. That's why I am changing I equal to map.get chars of I. I think it's clear till now. So till now, the thing is, it is simple example. So till now, it is the first requirement. So let me run as Java application. See, isgreat came or not? So like that, any substring, if you give, it will easily give the any possibility of substring. But our requirement is we need to find out all possibility of substrings, all possibility of substring. If you find same length of the substrings, then we need to return all of them. That is our requirement. Now onwards, I am continuing for the same. I am continuing the second requirement. For the same code, I am continuing second requirement. So in else condition, what I am doing is, so now what I have to do, we need to convert before clearing the, so whenever I got, no, so first I will get JAV, na, JAV. So whenever I found duplicate in else condition, what I am doing is I am clearing that map now. So before clearing, what I am doing is, so I am converting, I am creating first array list to store possibility longest substrings. I created one array list, and I am converting map keys, keys into uh, map keys into string. In this line number 23, I'm converting map keys into string. Map dot key set. Key set means what? We'll get only keys. So map dot key set dot map. I'm converting character to string. After that, I am joining collect dot collectors dot joining. Okay, now with this line, what we will get? So whatever character, for example, isgreat is there, no? Isgreat we got, no? This isgreat, it will be converting into string. This line we are doing all characters. So in map all keys characters are there, no? That all we are converting into string. After converting into string, what I am doing? I'm adding to array list. That is the step. After that, what I am doing is, so in array list, all the possibility of strings will be there. So all possibility of, whenever all possibility strings are there, what I need to check? I need to find the max length of the string. For example, in our example, so we have explained, no? So in our example, what we discussed, what are the possibilities? So ADV, now in array list, ADVJ will be there, DVJA will be there, JAV will be there. So we need to find out what only ADVJ should ADVJ and DVGA should come. Then we need to find out longest length of the substring, and those only we need to print. No? So now what I am doing first, I am going to find out the max length of the string. How can we do? By using comparator we can do. So by using Java 8 comparator we can do, right? So now by using max method comparator dot comparing int string dot length. Then get method will give string max length of the string, it will give. By using length method, I am finding the max length of the array list. Whatever max length will come, no, that I am going to find out. After that, what I am doing, I'm filtering them, whichever max length equal to. So by using this max length, we can find out, we can filter out, no? So whichever strings are max length they are having. So with that line, this line, I'm filter Unix substrings dot stream dot filter of. So string dot length equal to max length. Collectors dot collect string. That's it. Okay, that's it. The second thing. Now if you see, Now all possibilities. So now if you observe, now we are getting only vaisgre. Why it is coming like that, So isgreat is there, no? Isgreat. So isgreat now in map object isgreat is there, but else case when it will go to control, whenever it finds the duplicate thing, duplicate character, then only it's finding. Now while finding the last, unique string, so it won't enter into the else case. That's why it is unable to add that unique string into the array list. The same two lines, these same two lines we need to be added here to process the last unique substring. So we need to be repeat that same line at what at 30 line. Then fine. So I think you understood. Else case, whenever duplicate find, then only it will go to the else case. So whenever now while finding the last substring, last unique substring, on that time it won't go to the else case. That's why it is unable to process. So at completing of the all the string in map isgreat will be there. That isgreat we are processing and adding to the array list. That's all we are doing. If you have any doubts, you can comment. I will explain. Okay. See now vaisgre is great. So now I am giving just great India. So for great India, what are the possibilities? For great India, what are the possibility and unique substrings, longest substrings will be there. Great Ind. So at the end, I am adding India. For this, right? Great India, India again. For this, let's see what are the possibilities are. Again, great India only. So let's see. We do many things. I am Indian. Run as Java application. See here, Meenand. So like this we need to find. So advanced Java, let's check advanced Java, advjava. So advj and dvj. So in the example, whatever explained, no, advj, dvj. Jav is the smallest substring. That's why it is not showing. So that's about this longest substring concept. If you have any doubts, you can comment. I will explain. Okay, I will reply to your comments. So thanks for watching my channel.